Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn off your activity status on Snapchat. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Once you're logged in, the process to turn off your activity status is a little different than what you might be used to on apps like Facebook Messenger or Instagram. But don't worry, I'll walk you through it. Start by tapping on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Now, in the top right corner, tap the gear icon to open the settings menu. Next, scroll down until you see the Privacy Controls section. Under this, you'll find an option called Activity Status. Tap on it, and you'll see a toggle switch that allows you to turn it off. When this option is enabled, other users can see if you've been recently online on Snapchat. So, if you prefer to keep your activity status private, just turn this off and you're all set. And that's it. Now you know how to turn off your activity status on Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching,